Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Monday, October the 13th. It's a beautiful day. Woke up to 71 degrees. So I'm happy, but I know it's going to get hot. Y'all know my beef with Florida. But anyways, super excited. I'm feeling good today. I figured it's Monday. Let me get my workout in. Let's have a productive day. Because I feel like when you have a productive Monday, your week flows better. I feel like I'm looking good. I'm feeling good. I don't want to say it's the chlorophyll, but guys, look at my skin. And I've been drinking a lot of water too. So anyways, let's get our workout. This vlog will be filled with running errands because I need to stock up on personal hygiene stuff. And yeah, so let's go for a workout, y'all. Chill. So I ordered some groceries. I got peppers, extra virgin oil. I got 2 things of tofu. I got 2 things of cottage cheese. I got 3 avocados. I got some rice cauliflower, so good. So you don't have to eat rice. I got 2 of those. And paprika, red pepper flakes because I like it spicy. And I got baby spinach and arugula, organic. They didn't have any kale, so I think that's all right. I didn't order a lot of stuff. I got some black beans. I thought I got 1 can. I got 2 can, obviously. I got this thing. Oh my goodness. You see, I'm going to report this. Look at this broccoli. It's like these shoppers, I tip you well. Why don't you do a good job? I got 3 cans. I only ordered 2 cans of black bean. I'm not sure why I got 3. I got this sauerkraut. And I got 4 cans of sardine. And then I got some raspberry. I'm going to have to call Instacart. I'm sorry. Like this broccoli's not good. I paid almost $4 for it. Like, come on, sis. Yeah, so that's my little grocery haul. Good morning. Today's Tuesday. Your girl going back to back. Today's Tuesday. Last night I ordered some groceries and child. You know what? I came off a little bratty last night because listen here. When you order groceries from Instacart and somebody, like, I tip you well. Like, I gave homegirl like a $5 tip for like a few, y'all saw what I ordered. And my berries were crushed, y'all. My berries were crushed. The broccoli was rotten. And so I called Instacart. I did not decrease her tip. Y'all think I should decrease her tip? Because they give you up to like 2 weeks. I didn't feel like doing that because I felt like I already gave her a $5 tip, but I did call Instacart. They reimbursed me the broccoli and they reimbursed me the berries. So anyways, y'all, it's Tuesday. I'm going to go work out. Took 2 pills for cramps and let's see how the day goes. I might go to Walmart because I still have to get personal hygiene stuff. I was going to do a Walmart delivery, but nah, I'm going to go in store. But anyways, y'all, let's go work out. I like the cauliflower rice, cauliflower rice, cauliflower rice, cauliflower rice. I'm mentally here. I'm physically here, but mentally in Jamaica. All right, y'all, this is my lunch. I have cauliflower rice, roasted chickpea, sauerkraut, a bed of salad. That's arugula and spinach, avocado, broccoli, onions. Listen here. Look at this baby. Yummy, yummy, yum. We got Boulé in Fresh Kitchen at home. I like my broccoli dark like that, okay? I like it burnt. Look at this baby. Yums. I got a package. Ordered this Carlella from Amazon for my hair. I gotta wash my hair this weekend. So yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. Good morning. Good morning. Today's Friday. Got another date. But anyways, going for my walk. I'm happy to be out because the past couple of days I've been in bed due to my stomach. I was in a lot of pain, so right now I'm going for my walk. I have my green drink with me. I'm going to drink it on my way, and I'll see you guys later. Let's see what happens for the day. It looks like it's going to rain. Don't know, y'all. Florida is just so bipolar. I don't know. Anyways, y'all, so far I've been taking this little shot for sometimes I mix it with my water, so I haven't been taking it like in a shot. I've been putting it like in a 16.9 ounce bottle of water. Goodness. So cheers. Still good. So I'm gonna get my walk in, y'all. Like I said earlier, I don't know, I might get some work done. So yeah, I mean, I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to glow up, y'all. Trying to glow up, take care of my body, take care of my mind, my soul. And that includes, you know, not vibing with certain people and, you know, keeping your energy clean and your mind frame right. Because people will continue to try you until they can't try you no more, okay? So, yeah. But anyways, we'll see what we do for the rest of the day. I think tomorrow's going to be nice. I'm not going to go live. Let's see, I might go to the beach or something. I don't know. Maybe just spend some time in nature. I forgot to get sunscreen at Walmart. But anyways, y'all, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Be kind, be positive, and I'll see y'all later, child. I'm probably going to have the leftovers for lunch. I'm just going to have the leftover broccoli that I had with some beets, sauerkraut, fix it up. Because when you eat better, I do notice I feel better. I feel lighter. I don't feel so bloated. And, you know, I'm taking this also. It helps. So, yeah. Anyways, talk to y'all later. On to my workout. Good morning. Happy Saturday. I'm going out for my walk. Today I don't have much going on. Just might run a few errands. Got to go to the bank. Getting my workout out. I weighed myself this morning. The scale was looking at me. I was looking at the scale. The scale looking at me. I'm looking at the scale. We both ain't say nothing. So I'll wait until I currently have the Red Sea going on. So once that is over, once I part the Red Sea, I will weigh myself again and see what's going on. Because it was like, I'm like, it's not making sense. I ate very clean this week. So we'll see what happens, y'all, okay? You know, I'm used to the ghetto-ness. So I'm going to go for my walk right now. It's like 8 a.m. I know I should be on live, but I'm not on live. Not today, y'all, not today. So I'm going to get that done, get my workout in, run to the bank, run a few errands, take care of a few stuff. My friend's back from Paris, so I don't know if I'm going to see her today. She said she bought me something. I love gifts, so we'll see. But anyways, have a wonderful day. We'll see what else we get into. If not, thanks for watching. It's a beautiful morning. Da 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 da. It's so crazy how my skin looks. 1 minute my skin looking dry, next minute it's looking great. So right now I have nothing on my face, no makeup, no nothing, because I'm gonna do like a little wash. Not a little wash. This is lemon juice and honey. I just cut a half a lemon, not even half, just a little piece, and some honey. I mix it all together. I'm gonna take it and rub it all over my face, let it dry. I'm gonna rinse it off. It's supposed to help your skin look beautiful. So my skin's been tripping a little bit this week. Next week, child, I better be looking good. So I'm gonna rub this on my face and I'll come back and show you guys. All right, y'all, this is how it look. It's just lemon juice and honey. So I'm gonna leave it on my skin for about 15 minutes or so. I used to do this in my 20s and fine girl, okay? All right, y'all, this is my face. I washed off the lemon and honey. So this is my skin. It looks a little dry. I'm gonna rub some of this cream right here. This is the vitamin E cream that I told you guys about. You can get it from Walmart, walmart.com, or go to Walmart. Yeah, it's pretty good. I've been using it for a few years to keep your skin nice and soft, especially if you're somewhere that's cold. Like, you know, if you're somewhere that gets like, you know, hardcore weather, like winter and stuff like that, it keeps your skin very moisturized, very soft, and it's very affordable. $4, okay? I've been using it for years. So I'm gonna rub some on my face. I'll come back and show you guys how I look. And that'll be it. Guys, I'm outside because the lighting is better out here. I rubbed some vitamin E cream on my face. My face feels nice and soft. So this is how my skin is looking. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these. I'll continue to do them. Glow Up Diaries, where I'm trying to get my life together. I'm trying to get back to my old self, okay? I used to be like a fine babe. Yes, I'm attractive now, but I'm trying to be more attractive, okay? But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember to take care of your body, take care of your soul, take care of your mind. And remember to keep God first in everything that you do. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye. I got to show you guys my new flowers. They're so cute. They're so pretty, right? They're gonna die soon, but that's besides the point.